Welcome. You are invited to ease into rest and sleep. As you settle in, you may notice your body adjusting to find a position that feels supported. As you ease into a comfortable position, notice your breath. Breathing in the calm and gentle waves along the shore. Soft waves move in and out beneath the fading light. The tide is slow and steady. Any thoughts that may be, just let them arrive and let them gently pass, washing in and out like the soft wave. Breathing in again, notice your body, your chest and stomach, feeling supported and relaxed. And as you breathe out, allow your body to soften a little more. And now, breathing in, notice your arms and legs, heavy, comfortable. Breathing out, let your arms and legs relax even more. And breathing in once again, bring gentle awareness to your neck, your face, and to the mind itself. Breathing out, allow your face and neck to soften, and let the mind soften. You may notice your whole body now, your mind, a feeling of supported and safe. The sky continues to dim, deepening into soft blues that feel wide, quiet, and endless. Let's take one slow breath together. Inhaling gently, and then pause, allowing the breath to rest. And exhale slowly, letting the body release. Long and easy. Let the quiet stillness carry you to rest.